Proper grading and debris removal before breaking ground dramatically reduces pest attractants during new home construction. For site preparation, start by clearing brush and stumps completely so no vegetation or root balls remain within the future building footprint, since these hold moisture and provide cover for insects and rodents. Remove any old foundations, buried wood, construction debris, and landscape timbers, because cellulose in the soil invites termites and carpenter ants. Haul these materials off-site or chip and burn according to local regulations. Grade the site so surface water flows away from the planned slab and perimeter drains are at least 6 feet away from the foundation where feasible, using a continuous slope of at least 1 inch per foot for the first 10 feet to keep foundations dry. Compact soil around footings and under slabs to reduce settlement pockets that can trap moisture and create channels for pests to access voids under the building. Use hand tamps in tight areas and mechanical plate compactors for larger zones, and verify compaction with a simple sand cone or test pit if local code requires. Apply a liquid termiticide or a non-repellent soil treatment to exposed soil around perimeter trenches before backfilling, so there is a continuous treated zone between soil and future foundation elements. Follow label rates and reapply if heavy rain occurs before backfill. Establish temporary rodent control during active construction by setting tamper-resistant bait stations at the site perimeter, removing food and beverage waste daily, and sealing temporary breaks in foundation sheathing at night to prevent nesting in insulation and wall cavities. Common mistakes include leaving root balls and brush near the foundation, which continue to decay and attract termites and are best solved by full removal and off-site disposal. Another error is improper grading toward the slab, which holds water against the foundation and can be corrected by regrading to a 1 inch per foot slope away from the building and installing downspout extensions. A third frequent issue is backfilling over untreated soil or failing to compact properly, which creates voids and tunnels for pests, so always treat soil for subterranean termite control prior to backfill and compact in uniform lifts with moisture control to achieve target density. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around pre-construction needs, so we help people locate local firms experienced with pest deterrence, site prep, and share project experiences. We also host a discussion community where builders and homeowners exchange techniques, vendor recommendations, and construction photos, and we help contractors find new work through our listings and project inquiries.